Hi, everyone. Good morning. And it's wonderful to see all of you here today. We are about to begin the 15th ACM SIG Plan International Workshop on the state-of-the-art in program analysis. And we have a very interesting program ahead of us today. We have 3 very interesting keynotes from academia, also from industry. And we will have 8 research presentations. Now, if you have not done this already, there is a dedicated SOAP channel in Discord. This is a QR code that you can use to get into that channel. The idea is we will, of course, take questions after each presentation, but in case we don't have time for all the live Q&A, please go to this channel and then continue the discussion. Yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. And